Hello everyone, welcome back to AI for All, Chatgpt for Everything. If you are new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for daily AI tips. Today, I will show you one powerful way to use ChatGPT as your personal research assistant. Whether you are a student, professional, freelancer, or just curious, this will save your hours of time. Let's dive in. Tip number one, using ChatGPT for research. Let's say you are a student researching climate change for an assignment. Instead of reading dozens of articles, let's use ChatGPT for this project. Let me switch to ChatGPT screen and enter the prompt for this project. Summarize the causes and effects of climate change in simple terms. Then enter. You can access the ChatGPT and try to do this yourself and read out the output that you receive. This is the summarized version of the project. No more wasting hours searching through websites. Moving on to tip number two, a freelancer writing an article. If you are a freelancer writing a blog about AI in healthcare, here is how ChatGPT helps. Let me switch to the ChatGPT screen again and enter the prompt. Give me the latest advancements in AI for healthcare with sources. Enter. If you look this response, ChatGPT was able to search the web and was able to give you the instant research-based insight, making content creation 10x faster. Awesome. Moving on to tip number three, a professional presentation. If you are working professional, ChatGPT can summarize key industry trends for your next meeting. Let me show this in ChatGPT screen. The prompt is summarize the latest digital marketing trends in 3 points. Enter. Here it is. Now you have ready-made talking points. I would suggest access the chatgpt.com, then try the prompt which I have shown you here. As you can see, ChatGPT is like personal research assistant, quick, reliable, and super efficient. Try this out and let me know in the comments how you use ChatGPT for research. Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI powered productivity tips. Thank you.